In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure Firebase authentication with trusted providers, email enumeration protection, and multi-factor authentication. Let's start by turning on the right sign-in options. In the Firebase console, open your project, go to Authentication, and then the Sign In Method tab. Here, enable only the providers you actually need, such as email/password, Google, or Facebook. Keeping the list lean reduces your attack surface and simplifies your app's onboarding. Each provider has its own toggle and a few required settings, so review the provider details before saving. Once enabled, these options become available to your client app through the Firebase SDKs. When choosing providers, prioritize managed options that use OAuth 2.0, like Google or Apple. With OAuth, the identity provider handles the user's credentials, meaning your app never stores or processes passwords. This offloads sensitive security responsibilities to providers with phishing-resistant flows, advanced fraud detection, and strong account recovery processes. It also helps you support modern sign-in experiences, including passkeys where available, without custom infrastructure. If your audience can reasonably use Google or Apple, prefer those first. Supplement with others only when they meaningfully improve user reach. If you decide to keep email/password for flexibility, enable email enumeration protection. You'll find this in your authentication settings. With it turned on, Firebase avoids revealing whether a specific email is registered during sign-in, sign-up, or password reset attempts. That matters because attackers often probe your endpoints to confirm valid accounts before launching brute force or credential stuffing campaigns. After enabling this protection, make sure your app shows user-friendly generic messages like "check your email if an account exists," rather than explicitly saying an address is unknown. This preserves usability while closing a common information leak. For a significant security boost, add multi-factor authentication by upgrading your project to Google Cloud's identity platform. The upgrade unlocks MFA features integrated with Firebase authentication. Once enabled, you can require a second factor, such as a time-based code or SMS verification, during sign-in for higher-risk users or all users, depending on your policy. MFA dramatically reduces the impact of compromised passwords by adding an extra proof of possession. Review the configuration options in the console, decide which second factors fit your audience and compliance needs, and clearly communicate the flow to your users so enrollment is smooth. That's it. Enable the providers you need, favor OAuth 2.0 options, turn on email enumeration protection if you use passwords, and strengthen accounts with MFA via Identity Platform. With these settings in place, you'll deliver a sign-in experience that's both secure and friendly.